Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a recovery disk in Windows 10 PC. So first thing you have to do, insert USB which has about 16 GB. Like this. In my case I have the 30 GB USB, and after that click on start and search control panel. Click on control panel in built application. Now view by select large icons. Now in the search control panel type recovery. Now click on create a recovery drive. If now dialog box will ask permission, click on yes. Check this box, backup system files to the recovery drive, and click on next. Now wait for a while. Now friends, select your recovery drive, which is USB drive, and if you're not sure, so open File Explorer and check which is your USB recovery drive. So in my case it's E, so I will select available drive E, and after that click on next. Now make sure everything on the drive will be deleted. If you have any personal files on this drive, make sure that you have backed them up. So friends, if in this USB drive you have some personal data, so firstly backup and after that insert there, and now you have to do click on create. Now wait for a while till the processor will be complete. So by this easy and simple method, you can create a recovery disk in Windows 10 PC. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.